We started the Cybersecurity Council 3 years ago to be a private place for security leaders to get together, share best practices, lessons learned, develop personal and professional relationships. Today, here at our annual conference at Q2 Stadium, we're handing the microphone to some of the leaders in cybersecurity. Having an amazing celebration of this group and the community that we've built with a bunch of major brands represented downstairs. These are giants of the cybersecurity landscape, and they are here right now, a part of our community. Austin is already on the map for information security and cybersecurity. It's a brilliant place to be. We are going to step forward together. Cybersecurity is in great hands.